So today we are going to discuss again about the lay. Okay. Now here there is another way of categorizing the lay. Okay. So there are three kinds of lay here. The first one is 통주 명률기 lay. Mau tanaro tonga tong, chanaro chusa chu, tong chu. Maya da nyanaro nyonga nyong, o kaya da chashanju chura chur, nyong chur. Kaya da chaki ku ki, lasa le, nyong chur ki le. Am I audible? Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mau tanaro tonga tong, chanaro chusa chu, tong chu. Maya da nyanaro nyonga nyong, au kaya da jashanju chura chur, nyong chur. Kaya da chaki ki, lasa le, tong chu, nyong chur ki le. Mau tanaro tonga tong, chanaro chusa chu. Maya da nyanaro nyonga nyong, au kaya da jashanju chura chur, tong chu, nyong chur. Kaya da chaki ki, lasa le, ki les. Tong chu, nyong chur ki le. Means, it means any kind of karma that experience that gives result within this life. Okay, if you do some good thing today and that karma gives you a result tomorrow, that is the Tongche Nyurgile.
Okay. Result 是什么意思啊？
Yeah.
Result. Come out.
Result.
Oh, come out. Okay.
结果 come out.
Okay.
天啦。Tongchu means
Tongchu means this life.
this life. Tongchu.
Usually, actually, in Tibetan term, this life means Seti. Te means life. Di means this life.
This life.
Okay. Here, Tong means you can see. Tong means see. See. Tong Chu means you can see or experience. Okay. Means within this life. So here, sometimes, many times, Tongchu means this life, Siddhi. In this case here, Tongchu means this life.
今世。
今生.
Yeah, Nyongchur means the give result or experience the result. Experience the result within this life. That kind of karma, the karma that experiences the result within this life, we call that kind of karma is Tongchu Nyongyurki Le.
经历。
Yeah.
经历通这样
Does it make sense?
delay.
Okay, so within this life means it doesn't necessary you have to experience the result of that karma tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It could happen before you die, when you are in a very old age. You could experience the result of that karma. Today you do something after 10 days, let's say right now I'm 45 years old. I do something here in this 45 years old, then I will experience this result of karma when I became a 59 or 60 years old or 65 years old. So this kind of karma, we call it within this life.
现世报
Okay. Then second one, kene nyungyurgiles.
跟内容纠起来，
Sakata kaya da chadambu kesa ke nasa ne
跟内
maya da nyana nyonga nyong
纠起来，
au kaya da chashanju chura chur
有句
kaya da chaki koki lasa le kene
跟内
nyungyurgi le
来，
sakata kaya da chadambu kesa ke nasa ne kene
跟内跟内
nyungyurgi le
有纠起来，
sakata kaya da chadambu kesa ke nasa ne kene nyungyurgi le
起来起来，
Mm.
跟内容纠起来，跟内容
Okay, kene nyungyurgi le means any kind of karma you do in this present life, but that gives result in next life, not in this life. Next life, you will experience the result of that karma. We call that kind of karma is kene nyungyurgile.
跟内。So, Gene means next lifetime.
After you have taken birth, means next life,
Oh, next life.
another birth.
Gene,
Yeah,
Gene,
kene nyungyurgile
Gene, Nongju, Gile.
means next life.
Next life. Nongju.
Next life. Okay, so
Next
you do this karma in this present life, but you will experience the result in next life.
Okay.
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 啊，涵涵，你跟老师笑了。
Lentang shen tu nyungyur kile. Lana len
他哪累？
tanga sa tang. Lentang
冷汤
kau sha na shen
选
tasham tu tu shen tu. Lentang shen tu nyungyur kile.
拉
Lana len karata tanga sa tang. Lentang
冷汤
kau sha na shen
都
tasham tu tu shen tu.
宣读
Lentang shen tu nyungyur kile.
书记嘞，
Okay.
Yen.
Lana len karata tanga sa tang.
张
Lentang
连张
kau sha na shen
选连张选读
tasham tu tu shen tu
选读连
nyungyur
张
kile.
选读用九记嘞，连张
Lentang shen tu nyungyur kile. Okay. Lentang shen tu nyungyur kile.
Oh,
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay.
The Nyungyu is Nyongwar Gyurwei.
Yeah.
Right.
In future, you will experience, you do karma today,
Yes.
but you will not experience right now. You will experience this after some times.
Okay. So I mean the Nyonggyur is Nyongwar Gyurwa, right?
Yes, no Arjuna.
Okay.
晨晨牛话给我是什么意思
它？的中文翻译叫做顺所授业。
牛话给我
Yes.，
它是一个专有名词
Yeah.。
牛话给我，
Tibetan term Nyongwa means experience.
Yes.
Churwa, actually there are three Churwa. Okay, this one is also good. So this is the past time.
Okay.
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 Well, this one is the future time.
Okay.
Okay, so here it means future. Myongkyur.
Okay. The cure is just like change, right?
Kyur, actually, it could be many meanings.
Okay.
Okay, kyur means sometimes it also meaning also says becomes.
Becomes.
Mm.
Okay.
Sometimes do. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
So kyur has so many meanings in English.
Okay.
So Tibetan one term has so many meanings in English.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
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 Q
So Lendang Shela Shentu Nyongyur Kile means any kind of karma that you will experience after next life. After next life means third life, fourth life, fifth life, sixth life. Okay.
Okay. But here the
Not
Nyongyur
this
is
life
the
and next
same.
life.
Next life only.
Not this life, next life.
Okay.
After next life.
And Lendra Shendu Nyumongile is the maybe the future.
Yeah, future. Future means not this life, not next life.
Okay. Okay.
After the next life means after three life, third
after
life.
Okay. Okay. 你们需要
After
翻译吗
third lives.
我是懂，那跟韩寒讲一下
？Okay.
吧。
Okay.
韩寒
Yala, I think I can translate.
Okay, please.
OK，他说那个业有分三种，第一个是现世报，
现世报，对，
然后第二个呢是未来报，
来世
就是
报
下一世就报了，
下一世，对，
下一世。然后第三个是就是未来不知道几世之后，
我们中文是讲第三个是用什么？我现在一直想不起来，
不知道哎。
Okay.
后报
OK
吧，就后报。
This life is Chen Chen. Okay.
OK 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 OK
Chen Chen means Chen Chen help. Maybe he serves people
OK
and he did a good, karma.
OK
Okay, then Chen Chen second life, next life. Okay.
OK
Third life also no. Then fourth life no. Then after sometimes after 99 life,
Oh my God
then if you experience what you did in this present life, okay.
OK OK
So this serving people, whatever you did a good karma, that karma becomes lentang shendu nyongyurgile.
啊 OK OK
Lena Len
So from third here, not this life, not next life, from the third life, fourth life, fifth life, maybe any life, after
Yes
next life. Any life after next life. So if you experience the result of your karma that you have committed in this present life, if you will experience this result after next life, maybe third, fourth, maybe 100 lives or 1,000 lives after.
Okay.
So that kind of karma, we call it lantang
连章显度
shendu.
永久记嘞。
连章选珠永珠给嘞。
OK，
涵涵，你
Okay.
读一遍。涵涵读一遍。
Any question?
涵涵 will try to pronounce.
Which one?
涵涵 honey.
Lantang shendu yonggyur kile.
连阳神丢牛猪
给嘞。
牛猪一类，好难。
好难吼。
Oh,
连
good,
章
good.
连章选都永珠给嘞。
Lantang shendu yonggyur
类
kile.
连江神丢牛猪一类。
Wow. Very good.
Oh yes. OK，好难，还是很难。好，继续吧。
You
这个对我
understand
们
the
来说是完
meaning?
全新的东西。
对。
Yes, I say this is all thing for us. In Taiwan, we did not learn about this.
You what?
We did not
有
learn
啦
about
有
this.
啦，晨晨
有吗？
有啦。Yeah yeah yeah.
You haven't heard of it, yeah?
Yeah, me. Maybe the Aja, she heard this before.
你干嘛叫
This
阿
one?
佳？你可以叫我
Okay.
Cindy。
I did not heard this
Okay.
before.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will explain you another kind of categorization. Another one more. So here no, this one is actually we are discussing about the feature of karma.
应该吧。
Okay. The features of karma.
涵涵，你知道意思吗？就
Did you
是
get my point?
业的特征，业的特质，
The feature means quality.
品质。
品质。
嗯
The quality of karma. Okay. Good.
Okay, good.
Any question?
Can I we can know karma is legable and legnable,
Ah,
right? But
Good.
why you use quality? It's
I
different
will
label.
explain this you later.
Okay.
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 Then you would know. If I explain one by one, then you would know.
Okay.
Any question? Where is Chen Chen? He's gone.
No. I'm
he's-
searching about the Chinese.
He's
Ah.
eating noodles.
No.
Okay, then I will tell you the first one. Le ngepa.
Lengeba.
Lengepa.
La sa le ngadembo nge sa nge pa. Ngepa. Le ngepa. La sa le ngadembo nge sa nge pa. Ngepa. Ngadembo nge sa nge pa. Ngepa. Le ngepa.
Lengepa.
Okay, Lengepa means, okay, if you do good karma, then you will experience a good result. Okay, if you do bad karma, then you will experience a bad result.
Okay.
Then if you do good karma, you will well, I don't know where is it, or what do you call? Where is it? Let me check it out. Here or somewhere else.
我记得业有分不好不坏，诶，
无忌业啊，
对，无记业，那个英文要怎么讲？
Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
怎么
I
开始？
don't see it.
老花眼英文怎
I
么讲
don't see it. Any sign?
？What kind of
Unequal.
equal？
Unequal.
哦，不等于。
不等于哦。
I don't see any sign.
I think you need to change to math.
What?
你跟他说那个选项应该可以选择数学的。
I don't see this.
原来the font
No problem. So I
the
will,
font
if you do good karma, okay, you will never experience, okay, you will never experience a bad result. Okay,
OK，
and if you do bad karma, and you will never experience a good result. So that is the meaning of laying epa.
OK，
跟
善有
他画
善报，恶有恶报吧。
对，跟他画 if it's not good or bad, it's not person bad, person good
Neutral.
啊。
Yeah, neutral will give a result, a neutral feeling.
哦，OK
Okay.
OK，
Mm. So that is the qualities of karma, feature of karma. Good karma will never experience a bad result, and the bad karma will never experience a good result.
OK
Okay.
OK，
So if you do a good karma, you will experience a good result. If you do a bad karma, then you will experience a bad result.
OK，
So here actually it is given an example, means if you saw a mango seed, okay, then you can see a mango tree. Sorry. Okay. If you put a chili seed, then you will see a chili plant. Okay.
OK，
So if you put a mango seed in the soil and you cannot see the result as a chili plant, you know.
Yes，基因改造。
Okay. And
那不
if
是啦
you,，
基因改造。
if you put a chili seed and then you cannot see as a result a mango tree.
基因改造。
So mango seed is a sweet. Chili is a
hot spicy.
spicy. So similarly, if you put a good karma in this life, then you will experience a good result in future. Okay, if you
Okay.
put chili seed like a bad karma, then you will result a bad result. You will experience the bad result in future.
Okay.
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 Any question?
No，
Okay,
看
so that is the meaning of le ngepa.
勒
勒
眼吧
眼吧。
Ah,
哦，
le
勒眼吧
ngepa.
就是种豆
Karma
得豆
is different.
Definite.
Definite.
definite，
种瓜得
Yeah.
瓜，种豆得豆。
对，
OK OK OK。
他刚刚那个举例就是也是种瓜得瓜，种豆得豆。
对对对对对。
Any question?
No
No.
No.
Good.
good，哈狗怂，
Hagosu.
哈狗怂。
Now the second features of karma is a le pelwa.
你陪我。
勒偏瓦，
Lasa le pa
Le
au
pelwa.
pa dengbo pella pel.
拉佩勒偏瓦，
Wa pelwa.
偏瓦
Au
偏
pa
瓦
dengbo pella pel. Wa pelwa.
偏瓦
Le
勒偏瓦
pelwa.
勒偏瓦勒偏瓦勒偏
Au
瓦
pa dengbo pella pel. Wa pelwa.
偏瓦
Le
偏瓦
pelwa.
勒偏瓦勒偏瓦。
Okay. Le pelwa means karma can be expendable.
expendable expendable
Expendable means,
expendable
okay, if you put a mango seed, hello,
yes
Yes.
yes
Mango seed.
yes
Mango seed.
mango
if
seed
you
mango seed
put a mango seed, you can see a big tree of mango, very
Yes.
big tree. So the seed will expand, big, 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 big.
Yes.
Okay. And if you put a chili seed, very small, but it will also give you a big result.
OK。
哦，那个叶是可以被扩张的，
陪我是增长的意思。
增长，对，
陪我。
Pelwa means expand. It will become bigger, bigger,
Bigger,
bigger,
bigger.
bigger over the time.
OK。
舍一得万报。
还有加肥料。
肥料英文怎么讲？
Okay. There was a one arhat. You know the arhat.
Yes yes yes。
阿罗汉，阿罗汉，
What do you say in Chinese language?
阿
阿
罗
罗汉。
阿罗
Jumba
汉
right? Jumba.
Dajumba.
Jumba 阿罗汉。
汉，
In Tibetan, say Dajumba.
扎中吧，扎
Oh.
恰那罗丘马冲，
There was a
中吧
one.
扎中
There was a one arhat, one Dajumba, very young one Dajumba. Now I will share you a story.
OK。Cindy is
Thank you.
interesting.
Thank you,
Ah.
thank you. 兔姐姐，
One young Dajumba, very young, even he became a Dajumba. Now he has no attachment, no anger, nothing. He became Dajumba, quite young,
OK。
very, very young. He is very, very young. But there was a one man, okay, one man, he doesn't like that Dajumba, that young Dajumba.
OK。
So every time he is calling that Dajumba as a monkey.
哦，
哎，很坏呢。
很坏呢。
Because that Dajumba is quite young
Yes。
and his physical condition is very good, young. So wherever he goes, he jumps.
哦。
He jumps.
OK。
So that's why this man, he doesn't like this Dajumba and he said to that Dajumba, monkey. He has given a nickname, monkey.
OK。
So this man in his future life, he had to take in 500 times of monkey life.
What?
Okay.
Oh.
500 times of monkey life.
Okay, okay.
So if you say monkey, it's not a big, it's a very small karma. But the result is very big, 500 times of monkey lives.
Oh, I have a question.
Ah,
If the people is not
Mm.
Jajongba, it's just a normal person, then we just call him a monkey. Maybe we don't need to 5,000 no 500 times, right?
Maybe 10
Yeah,
times.
less. It could be
Maybe
less.
10 times.
It could be less.
It could be less. 是什么意思？
它可能会少一点啦。
We,
Ah,
we,
10 times.
we don't know the exact number, but it could be less, maybe.
OK OK，太
所以
旧的对吧？
不可以
Yeah.
随便帮那个出家人取绰号，
那我刚刚就问他说，那如果是一个正常人呢？
那就是可能就是还是有果报，可是
少一点，
于500
少一点。
对对
OK
对。
OK
Mm.
OK
Okay.
OK。
Ah.
So maybe in future, when we see the people, we can just say, "Oh, Jajongba, Jajongba." Maybe one day we will be Jajongba, right?
It depends what kind of your intention is.
Intention, yeah, intention.
It depends on your intention
Okay.
or your motivation.
你的目的啦。Different.
Okay.
If you are saying Dajoba to somebody just for mocking, okay, then you are saying nice, but actually you are saying something bad to him.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
you have a bad intention.
Okay.
So, action actually becomes a good karma or bad karma. It depends on intention or motivation.
讲起来那个声音很怪。拉手，拉手。
对对对对对。
Okay. Sometimes you want to cheat a girl, very beautiful girl, and you are saying nice word, nice thing, sweet talk. But your intention, you want to harm that beautiful girl.
Okay.
Then giving a nice gift, okay, very good gift, sweet talk, looks like a good karma, but it's not a good karma.
Okay.
Okay, these are the bad karma.
Okay. So no more cheating.
Oh, yeah. If you want to cheat a beautiful girl, then you have to say nice thing and good gift and sweet talk and big smile. Okay.
Okay okay，他很懂哎。
So action does not determine whether it becomes a good karma or bad karma. Because the action depends on the intention and motivation.
Okay.
Okay. Any question?
Oh.
No. Okay.
No.
Sometimes, like a parent say very bad words to their children, to their kids, out of compassion. So parents, they are very concerned about their kids, their children, and out of that concern and compassion, sometimes teachers and parents are saying bad words towards the kids, children. But action looks bad karma. But that is not a bad karma because you are saying this out of your concern and compassion. Okay.
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 So action looks sometimes good karma, but they are not good karma. So action looks sometimes bad karma, but they are not a bad karma. It depends on the intention.
Intention.
Okay.
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 So now here one question comes. Usually I'm asking, have you ever heard in your country euthanasia?
Indonesia.
Euthanasia.
那什么东西
What is that?
Euthanasia means some patient, okay, patient,
patient. Oh.
okay, they have a very severe disease,
Uh-huh.
okay. Severe disease means very pain disease,
苦
okay.
行吗？
我查一
And
下 EUTHANASIA。
patient,
安乐死。Oh, I got it. I got it.
啊
安乐死。
sick people,
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
sick person,
安乐死。
okay. Some patient, they have a very severe disease. Severe means very bad disease. So he has a lot of pain. Then the doctor gives injection to kill that person.
嗯
And family are requesting to kill him, kill him
Yes.
or her.
Yes,
We
yes.
call it in English term euthanasia. Euthanasia.
Okay.
Euthanasia.
You want to see?
Okay, this in Chinese we call 安乐死。
安乐死。
Okay.
Euthanasia.
Yeah.
Euthanasia.
Euthanasia. Yeah, it means, can you see this?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Euthanasia.
Yeah, euthanasia is the intentional act of ending a person's life to relieve a pain and suffering from an incurable or terminal illness. Okay,
Okay.
so here the question here, if you give injection to that person, you kill that person, if that action is a good karma or bad karma?
这个之前我们在儒文的课有讨论过。
你是说注射
安乐死。
安乐死的那个人吗？
Yes. Before we in class, we just describe this, not describe, we discussed this question before.
You want to discuss?
No. I mean, when we are at school, the teacher just discussed this question with us.
Oh, okay.
我
Yes.
好像跟你同一堂
I
课。
want to ask you, in your country, is this legal or illegal?
Illegal.
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 In Taiwan,
Illegal.
it's illegal.
This one.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
illegal.
You cannot kill the person.
No.
Okay.
How about your country?
I don't know in India. I don't know.
Oh, let me check. Let me check.
印度好像还没有合法吧？
我来查查看。
Sorry. I will explain you. In
我记得目
India,
前好像只有瑞士、芬兰什么的。
India, you cannot kill the human being.
Oh, so
can
it's not
kill-
allowed.
You can kill your pet, your cat,
yes.
your dog. Okay. Some people have a cat and dogs. If they had an accident, if they have broken their legs, their hands, their legs, and if he or she thinks that his pet or her pet will not be able to walk or something like that, then they will give the injection and kill it.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
seen this. That is legal in India.
I think
It
this
is
may be
it is
legal in
not
Taiwan.
legal to kill the human being. Okay.
The same. We have the same situation.
Same
Illegal
situation.
for human being, but it's legal for
For
animals.
pet, yes.
Animals.
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
When we go to the hospital, when something
Ah.
bad thing happen, we go to a hospital and the doctor will put a 插管怎么讲啊？
我查一
Just
下。
like put the
Emergency action.
yes in our body.
Okay.
Yes, and I mean maybe we don't need to just poison the person. We can just take off the maybe the 那个叫什么 air mask or maybe another just like that. Because first the people when he born he don't have the air mask, right? We give him the air mask. So now we just take off the air mask.
Intubation.
Okay.
Yes. Do you know what I'm talking about? Because
Intubation.
那些东西本来就是外来的。你虽然说你说他要承受他的业没错，但是他如果没有这些机械的话，他可能早就嗝屁了，你知道吗？他的业承受的太久了。
可是我跟你讲哦，就是说，如果你今天遇到这些家人，然后他们决定帮你插管，这也是你的业。
是啊，没错。
对。
所以那现在回到他说的，今天他的家人觉得他太痛苦了，要把它拔掉，那也是时间到了。
但是
如果这样的理论的话，
但他的也是对啦，对。
所以我自己是觉得
，sorry。
I think the nature is more important.
What is important?
Nature. Yes.
What do you mean by nature?
I mean, the people go to a hospital, and actually at that time, maybe the people almost dead. But we put a lot of emergency machine on his body. So the emergency machine can take the time more longer.
Okay.
Yes, but I mean, actually that time, if don't have any emergency machine, he just go to the Buddha.
Go to the Buddha.
Yes, I mean just like this. So first we put the emergency machine on his body. This is actually it is not his karma. So now we just take off the emergency machine. So I think it is
now I give you another example.
Okay.
Then you can discuss more.
Okay.
Let's say
I think the time.
Doctor. Okay, doctor has no intention, to kill the patient. Yeah.
Okay.
But sometimes because of wrong surgery, and doctor kill that patient.
这是什么医疗纠纷是吗？医疗疏失。
不是，就是他的对医疗疏失，所以导致病人死亡。
So is this a good karma or bad karma?
I think it's.
You think this doctor did a good karma or bad karma?
I think it's bad. It's just like a car accident.
But
car
he
accident.
has no intention to kill.
But for the car accident, it's no intention.
intention 是什么意思？
目的呀，
目的
就是你开车去撞到人，你也不是故意的啊。
对对对对对。
It's just like the car accident. It's not intent to hurt or to kill anybody.
Okay.
The same situation.
Okay. Now here has no intention, but here family has the intention to kill that person.
Ah.
But it is a good, yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
But this one is bad, yeah? How come, yeah?
So I think how to say？ 我觉得也许业报并没有对错。
The family wants to kill that person. Their family has the intention to kill. But this doctor has no intention to kill. Then why it becomes a bad karma and why it becomes a good karma here?
So I think maybe the good karma and bad karma is because we need to 教育怎么讲啊？
Educate.
We need to educate the people to do good things and bad things. So we just say, oh, we have a good karma and we have bad karma. But maybe actually the karma is the karma, no good and bad. Right? Maybe?
那个逻辑怪怪的。
就我会说，也许业并没有分成善跟恶。但是我们为了教育说，我们要做这一区的，
我觉得也是可以这样讲哦，因为业没有分善恶，就是说你不同的人在这个业果里面，你 suffer 你承受的那种感受性不一样。
其实我觉得心态比较重要，
对对对，
我觉得心是最
这样
重要的。
讲我觉得有道理。
对，他如果出发心是菩提心的话，这个他做了，就好像好心办坏事，你知道吗
many discussion, yeah?
Yes.
Sorry, it's a bit difficult to
可是这个太难讨论出来了。
English.
这个我们不是佛陀，你知道吗？我们没有办法看到全部的因果，所以我们没有办法推断说它到底是好还是不好，对还是不对。
I will tell you one thing.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of the religion Jain?
Jain, Jain.
Yeah. Jain religion.
Religion.
宗教。
We call it Jainism. Jain. I don't know how to say in Chinese. Jain.
Maybe you can search.
耆那教
啊，
耆那教 I got it.
These monks, they call them Muni. Okay, Jain Muni, they don't wear clothes.
Yeah, yes, I know.
You know?
Yes.
裸行外道。
We learned this from the India Buddhism history.
Ask her. I forgot her name. Yang.
Honey.
呀，于涵。
Have you ever heard of Jain?
那耆那教就裸行外道。
No.
就是印度的外道。
Okay. Like me, their religion monk, they don't wear clothes.
Yes.
Even a nun also, girls, they don't wear clothes.
那不穿衣服。
对。
Explain to her in Chinese.
Yes. She knows.
She knows. Okay. So one time I sat down with that monks. They are not wearing clothes, and I sat down with them. Then I asked them why you are not wearing the clothes. Okay.
Yes.
Why they are not? They feel that so many tiny species. It will stick with our clothes.
Uh-huh.
And then if you sit down, you are likely to kill them.
Okay.
Oh,
And they are not wearing the clothes,
Yes.
but they are wearing a marks here, small marks here,
Oh,
mouth.
Marcos.
why?
And I asked them, why you are wearing the marks? So
Because
they
the
told me,
COVID-19.
yeah,
Oh, sorry.
they told me there are so many tiny species in the air.
Okay.
They are likely to go inside their mouth and kill them.
Okay.
哦哦，
Okay.
是什么？
就是
他怕吃到细菌，
let me translate，不是，
他怕
他是说
吃到细菌会把细菌杀死啊。
就是灰尘当中还有很多生物啦，不是细
啊
菌，还有很多
yes,
生
yes,
物，
yes.
他怕吃他们进去会杀生，因为他们都是 vegetarian，
所以他们不吃东西。
他们都吃植物，但是植物的
他们不吃灰尘，
不吃有生
比较讲究一点。
对。
Okay. The Han Han is very confused. Han Han is, I say the Han Han is very confused because they wearing a mask and they don't want to kill the in the air the thing. Yes, so she asked, so they don't eat food?
They do eat, but they don't eat meat. They are
Yeah, of
pure
course.
vegetarians.
Vegetarian, of
They are
course.
No
vegetarians.
meat,
Yeah.
no eggs, and also no onion.
Okay.
哦，
Onions,
全素，
不是我有听过，他说他们不吃种在地底下的东西，
不吃根茎类的东西啊。
对，他们只种在土地上的。
and they
我还是有认真上的。
believe tree has a life.
Yes.
Okay, they believe onions and potato has a life.
Okay.
So that's why they are not eating it.
Okay.
But they will eat vegetables, but not onions and potato like this.
Okay. Then what they eat?
They eat another vegetables
leaves
which grows, upper, which grows.
他们吃叶子啦，叶子。
Okay. Which
Okay.
grows on the ground.
对啦，
Not
那
under
跟我讲
the
的一样。 I see, I see. So
anything grows under the ground, they don't eat it.
Okay.
Anything grows out of the ground, they eat them.
Okay. And Gala, are there still many jinns in India?
Yeah.
Many.
There is millions of people.
Oh, millions.
Millions of
现在
people.
耆那教还在呢。
他说100万人呢。
现在耆那教还在呢。
真的哦。
Jainism is very big in India.
我那时候上中英媒的课，他有说。
哇哦。
Millions and millions of people are Jainism. Not only one, two, or few like numbers. It's a big number.
Okay.
Millions of people are Jainism.
Okay.
I'm talking about only the munis.
Yes.
Jain munis, they are not wearing the clothes. But the other followers, like not a monk, they are wearing the clothes.
Okay.
But still they believe, wearing the clothes is some kind of bad karma for them.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Any question?
No.
Yeah. Do they live in the city?
Yeah. There are
Ooh.
many in Bangalore also.
Really?
Yes, so many people.
Ooh.
If you go to the Jain temple, biggest temple, it is very near from Bangalore.
Oh.
I have visited there.
Really?
Yeah. That's why I had a conversation with the monks.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is like that. And Buddha, one time Buddha said, monks, monks, when they drink the water,
Oh.
okay, then Buddha asked them to use say. This one,
漏勺吗？
勺子。
strainers,
Okay.
Oh.
in English term, strainers.
Okay.
Without using the strainers, okay, Buddha said, don't drink the water. So, because it will kill so many tiny species.
Okay.
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 Then many Dajomba here, Arhat. Many Dajomba, after Buddha said this, many Dajomba, they have a clairvoyance. So wherever they see there are small, tiny species, even they use the strainers. Then they stop drinking water. Okay. Hello?
是怎样？都卖零棍水。
系啊。
Okay. Buddha
Okay.
said, so many Dajomba became sick without
Yeah,
drinking
no water.
So because they become a dehydration. Okay, dehydration.
Dehydration.
Because they have no water in their body.
Okay.
Then
活水。
Buddha again said, when you drink the water, don't use your divine sight. Use your ordinary eyes. Don't use your clairvoyance.
哦。
OK，叫他们不要用天眼看是吧？
对对对对。
哦。
Okay, if you use ordinary eyes and use strainers, if you see no, any small tinies, then you can drink.
OK。眼不见为净。
不是天
家
眼不
长不知道
见为净，天眼不见为
So
净。
you like story, that's why I'm telling you a story now.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Then why Buddha said this? Because if you drink small tiny species, you have no intention to kill them. If you drink and kill, it's a bad karma.
Yes.
But no intention.
OK。